Hello friends, today we'll show you how to add new contacts on iPhone. Let's come a look. We have some options. First option in the bottom left corner on your screen, tap here to phone number, and here you can click contacts. On top right corner, tap plus and start entering some information about this contact. First name, last name. If you need, of course, enter company. Here add phone number, entering some phone number. If you need another number, we click again add phone, enter phone number. If you need someone else, tap add phone number, enter work, for example. Okay, next scroll down. Also you can add email address, change ringtone, as you can see here. Scroll down and choose some ringtone. When you finish, tap done on right corner. Text note also you can change when you choose some text tone, tap done. Okay, also you can add site URL of site, address if you need it, birthday, date, and another settings if you need it. Also you can add social profile. It may be Twitter, Facebook, Flickr, LinkedIn, MySpace, Sina Weibo, and another. Okay, then scroll down, and if you need it you can also add field and some of this, middle name and another. Okay, when you finish all your setting, tap here done. Also you can find this contact from your contacts list, and of course edit if you need it. If you need delete this contact, scroll down in the bottom, tab delete contact. Okay, next option, how to add new contact. On your screen find contacts in here, and of course again tap on top right corner plus and enter all information what you need about this contact. Also you can tap again in the top bottom left corner, and here tap keypad. Here you must enter in phone number and tap add number, tap create new contact, and enter information about this contact. Also you can, as you can see, add to extension contact. It means you add this phone number to your contacts from your contacts list. Also you can copy some phone number. For example, I choose this number. Okay, we copied some number and you want to save this phone number. You tap again in the left corner, here delete this number, we not need it, and you have copied some number. We hold finger here and tap paste, and here tap add contact add the number and create new contact and enter some information about this contact. Friends, thanks for watching. I hope the video was useful to you. Support me by subscribing to channel. It is not difficult for you, but for me it's very important. Also like this video.